In this video today, we are going to know all the interesting unknown facts about penguins. Hope you like it very much. So without further delay, let's get started. The Gentoo penguin has a white stripe that runs across the top of its head. The chinstrap penguin is named for the narrow black band under its head, which looks like a chin strap. The African penguin is also known as the jackass penguin, due to its donkey-like bray. The yellow-eyed penguin is one of the rarest penguin species. Penguins often slide on their bellies across the ice, a behavior known as tobogganing. Penguins can leap out of the water onto ice or rocks, a behavior known as porpoising. Penguins' flippers are also used for steering while swimming. Penguins' webbed feet help them navigate slippery surfaces. Penguins' feathers are tightly packed and overlap to provide waterproofing. Penguins preen their feathers daily to maintain their waterproofing and insulation. Penguins have a thick layer of down feathers under their outer feathers for added insulation. Penguins are capable of fasting for extended periods during breeding and molting seasons. Penguins' blackbacks help them blend in with the dark ocean when viewed from above. Penguins' white bellies help them blend in with the bright surface of the water when viewed from below. Penguins' distinctive markings and patterns help individuals recognize each other. Penguins are found in a variety of habitats, from icy Antarctica to temperate islands. Penguins' vocalizations vary by species and can include brays, whistles, and squawks. Penguins can often be seen rafting together on the water's surface in groups. Penguins' bodies are well adapted to conserve heat in cold environments. Penguins' huddling behavior helps conserve heat and protect against the cold. Penguins have a unique gait, often described as a waddle. Penguins' legs are set far back on their bodies, aiding in swimming but giving them their distinctive walk. Penguins' powerful legs and feet are used for propulsion while swimming. Penguins' beaks are adapted to catch and hold slippery prey. Penguins are flightless birds found primarily in the southern hemisphere. There are 18 different species of penguins. The largest penguin species is the emperor penguin, which can grow up to 48 inches tall. The smallest penguin species is the little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, which stands about 16 inches tall. Penguins have adapted to life in the water with their streamlined bodies and flippers. Penguins' black and white coloring provides camouflage while swimming. Penguins are excellent swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour underwater. Penguins' diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and krill. Penguins can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes while diving for food. Penguins have a layer of blubber for insulation against cold temperatures. Penguins' feathers are waterproof, helping them stay dry and warm. Penguins molt once a year, shedding their old feathers and growing new ones. Emperor penguins breed during the Antarctic winter, enduring extreme cold and darkness. Male emperor penguins incubate the eggs on their feet for about 2 months without eating. Female emperor penguins go to the sea to feed during the incubation period and return when the eggs hatch. Penguin chicks have a special call that helps parents recognize them among thousands of others. Penguins use vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. Penguins can recognize their mate's call among a colony of thousands. Penguins often form lifelong mating pairs. Penguins typically lay 1 or 2 eggs per breeding season. Both male and female penguins take turns incubating the eggs. Penguin colonies are called rookeries. Penguins are social birds and often live in large colonies. The Adelie penguin is named after the wife of French explorer Jules Dumont d'Urville. The king penguin is the second largest penguin species after the emperor penguin. The Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species found north of the equator. Penguins have a specialized gland near their eyes to excrete excess salt from seawater. Penguins' bones are denser than those of flying birds, helping them dive and swim more efficiently. Penguins' flippers are adapted for swimming, with strong muscles and a streamlined shape. Penguins can dive to depths of over 500 feet in search of food. Penguins' eyes are adapted to see clearly underwater. Penguins can drink seawater thanks to their salt-excreting gland. The macaroni penguin is named for its distinctive yellow crest feathers. The rockhopper penguin is known for its distinctive hopping movements on rocky terrain. Penguins' tongues are lined with backward-facing barbs to help hold onto fish. Penguins' eyes are adapted to see well both in and out of the water. Penguins' pupils can constrict to a narrow slit to reduce glare from the sun. Penguins' strong jaws and sharp beaks can deliver a painful bite if threatened. Penguins' natural predators include seals, sea lions, sharks, and orcas. Penguins' eggs are often pear-shaped, which helps prevent them from rolling away. Penguins' nests can be simple scrapes in the ground or more elaborate structures made of stones and vegetation. Penguins are known to steal nesting materials from each other. Penguins' chicks are covered in down feathers, which are replaced by waterproof feathers as they grow. Penguins' chicks form groups called creches while their parents forage for food. Penguins' parents regurgitate partially digested food to feed their chicks. Penguins' chicks fledge or leave the nest at different ages depending on the species. Penguins' populations are monitored by scientists to assess their conservation status. Penguins' habitats are threatened by climate change, overfishing, and pollution. Penguins are often featured in documentaries and nature films due to their charismatic behavior. Penguins are popular attractions at zoos and aquariums around the world. Penguins' swimming style is often compared to flying underwater. Penguins' flippers are stiff and flat, unlike the flexible wings of flying birds. Penguins' flippers are used for balance and maneuvering on land. Penguins' beaks can vary in shape and size depending on their diet. Penguins' beaks are often brightly colored, especially during the breeding season. Penguins' vocalizations can be used to identify individual birds within a colony. Penguins' chicks can recognize their parents' calls from a very young age. Penguins' colonies can range in size from a few dozen to several thousand birds. Penguins' populations can fluctuate based on food availability and environmental conditions. Penguins' migrations can cover hundreds or even thousands of miles. Penguins' breeding success is often influenced by environmental factors such as sea ice extent and prey availability. Penguins' reproductive strategies can vary widely between species. Penguins' courtship behaviors often involve elaborate displays and vocalizations. Penguins' nests are often reused from year to year. Penguins' chicks grow rapidly, often doubling their weight in just a few days. Penguins' chicks are vulnerable to predation by birds and other animals. Penguins' eggs are often incubated by both parents, who take turns keeping them warm. Penguins' nesting sites can be crowded and noisy, with constant activity and vocalizations. Penguins' breeding colonies can be found on remote islands, rocky coastlines, and ice shelves. Penguins' feathers are replaced gradually during the molt, ensuring they remain insulated and waterproof. Penguins' diet can vary seasonally, with different prey available at different times of the year. Penguins' diving behavior is adapted to exploit different prey types and habitats. Penguins' social structure can include both monogamous pairs and more flexible arrangements. Penguins' breeding success can be influenced by competition for nesting sites and mates. Penguins' chicks often form strong bonds with their parents, following them closely during feeding and foraging trips. Penguins' natural behaviors can be observed in the wild and in captivity, providing valuable insights into their ecology and biology. Penguins' colonies often include other seabirds, such as petrels and albatrosses, which share similar habitats. Penguins' chicks are sometimes abandoned by their parents if food is scarce. Penguins' populations are often used as indicators of ocean health and ecosystem changes. Penguins' vocalizations can include contact calls, alarm calls, and mating calls. Penguins' chicks are often preyed upon by skuas, gulls, and other birds. Penguins' feathers are specially structured to trap air, providing buoyancy and insulation. Penguins' eyes can filter out harmful UV rays, protecting them from the sun's glare. Penguins' chicks are fed a diet rich in fats and proteins to support rapid growth. Penguins' colonies can be disrupted by human activities, such as tourism and fishing. Penguins' populations are monitored using techniques such as satellite tracking and aerial surveys. Penguins' vocalizations can vary between individuals, allowing parents and chicks to recognize each other. Penguins' nests are often built in sheltered locations to protect against wind and predators. Penguins' chicks can form tight-knit groups for warmth and protection. Penguins' breeding success can be influenced by the timing of sea ice formation and breakup. Penguins' migrations can be influenced by changes in sea temperature and prey distribution. Be sure to let me know in the comments which fact about penguins surprised you. If you like the video, give it a like, and subscribe the channel to see all the interesting facts about animals.